This person looks to be scared of her parrot. The parrot keeps saying, "I'm not going to hurt you," but then attacks the woman. Is it because the previous owners abused the parrot? What do you think?
I'm a little bit. You're just so strong. You're so strong.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to bite me.
No, I'm not gonna hurt you.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're so sweet. No, baby.
What's your problem, darling?
Nothing. I love you. I just said.
Oh,
I think we just need some time before we do that, okay? See, that's why.
what's the matter?
I still think you're gonna bite me.
No.
Sorry.
What's
Yeah,
that?
see? Hey! That's why. See? You scared me. You tried to hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.